discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Hey, how you doing? Pretty busy? Oh yeah. It's been a pretty crazy day.
I guarantee it, man.
Oh yeah, it's been fun though. I enjoyed it. Yeah. So what's your name and what's in here like I don't know, man?
Like you don't.
Yeah. Go ahead, man.
Like you don't know. Sam Fulcher.
All right.
I got 4 Sundown U Audio 15s, 2 SFB 5Ks.
Nice.
The door speakers are Bama 8s. And they're on the SIA 2500. The DS18 tweets are a Ryan 1000.1. 45 amp hour battery right here. Hydrogen all up front. Pretty simple.
Okay, yeah.
That's crazy.
Did you build all this?
Yeah, every bit of it.
Wow. Oh, those are your batteries, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not in the back.
Not keep a tower, but just a...
Okay, so you ran the wires from here all the way to the back. Okay.
It goes from the auto front back to the battery.
Very nice.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Drew Jones designed the box, and then we built it in the car.
Wow. Okay, a lot of cabin work.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Are you able to mount the subs regular or only inverted?
It was designed for inversion for heat.
Okay.
That's really the only reason.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't get them out, so I gotta be conservative,
Yeah.
because I don't want to tear the box apart.
So to be able to get these subs out, since what do you have to do? Take the whole loading wall out? Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
A lot of work. Honestly, I could probably cut the port, take this out, cut the port out.
That's still don't want to do with that. Yeah.
But,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I love it. I love
And
it.
this is at 1 ohm per 2?
1 ohm per 2.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 ohm per 2.
All right.
I'm drunk and I'm stumbling, man, I've been fumbling. 45 damage, then fell out my britches. All of these rappers been lying to us. You know we blowing the finest of buzz, but chopping them down and lining them up. Now the lines are damn near the same size of a slug. Tennessee shit, I ain't fucking with this. Told all them critics to suck on my dick, double partner, stick bitch in the middle of Broadway, drunker than shit. Like, fuck it, I'm rich. So big thing fucked up, I'm blowed. Now you wanna show them back the Brinks truck up. I still goes in, ask my close friends. I've been known to go and burn at both ends. Church told me to go and talk my shit. Here I go, it's going down right now. Gotta ride it
Yeah, I would love to hear it, man.
Okay.
Sweet.
Church walk through hell and win. church, walk through hell and win. Put it in the bank for my kids and my kids' kids get back. I'm more than 50 Cent, fuck a lot. I'm wailing if you didn't see the cops. I'm Buddy Holly cause I got the pop. Nah, Richie Valens, watch him flip a top. Got these diamonds on me, look like tiny dancers. No one's standing by me, I'm a drifter. If you say my name, then don't forget the Mr. Up to the church, walk through hell and win. It's going down right now. Gotta ride it out, I wanna be among the greatest. Every song on my device going down right now. Just gotta ride it out, so one day I can be timeless. For the South I'll be around. It's going down right now. It's going down right now. Going down right now. And these are my sounds. Look, hey. Church, walk through hell and win.
That's the favorite of the six. So. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Sam Fulcher.
Sam Fulcher. Okay. Nice to meet you again, Sam. Yep. I try to post the oldest first.
I guarantee it.
Yep.
Man.
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have a good day.